Hello my friends, welcome to my channel Your Body and Day, and today I will teach you how to do an amazing recipe for cheese crepioca with tomato and oregano, made at home. You who like eat something healthy at snack time or even for breakfast. Well, this recipe is quick and very easy and doesn't need many ingredients. But before I share this recipe with you, I'm making it available, crepioca de queijo com tomato y oregano, to be helping you in your weight loss. There are no contraindications because it is a natural product, and if you follow using it correctly, will help you a lot in your weight loss, just as it helped many people to recover their self-esteem again. I'll be leaving the link here in the description and in the first pinned comment. The official website of this product only is made available on this channel. Do not buy elsewhere as you may be wasting your money. So if you already like the subject, leave your like and subscribe to the channel to receive many tips and healthy recipes. For this recipe we will need ingredients: 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of tapioca, 1 pinch of pink salt, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 slice of mozzarella cheese, 1 tablespoon of chopped tomato, oregano to taste. Preparation mode: mix the egg, tapioca and salt. Put the oil in the skillet and heat it up. Pour the crepioca dough. Wait for it to release from the bottom of the skillet and turn. Add the cheese, tomato and oregano. Cover the skillet and wait 1 to 2 minutes. Serve open or rolled up and cut into 3 parts. Enjoy your food. Hope you liked the recipe. Leave it here in the comments if you liked it. A big hug and until the next video.